Hello everyone. This week will be our last week together for Modern Language. We are going to wrap up working with your French vocabulary. I am going to say these words very quickly. I would like for you to follow along as I go over these words. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit, salut, au revoir, ciao, à bientôt, comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle. D'où venez-vous? Je suis de. Comment allez-vous? Je suis fantastique, très bien, comme ci, comme ça, très mal, fâché, fatigué, malade. Vous avez quel âge? J'ai un. Quand est ton anniversaire? Mon anniversaire est le 2. Et vous? Moi aussi, je suis désolé. All right, today you're going to continue working with these vocabulary words. Underneath this video, you're going to find a link to the French Quizlet. It's the French vocabulary Quizlet, not the numbers and months, but this list that you see here on your screen. That's what you're going to be practicing today. So you're going to go to the Quizlet link. Let me close that. So Quizlet link, make sure you click on the full screen button here. I want you to go through the flashcards. I do recommend that you open Quizlet in Safari. You have that option down below. It's one of the functions. If you have questions about that, let me know and I'll make a little video and send it to you. I want you to practice the flashcards. Once you're finished with the flashcards, go back and choose one of these other activities to practice. When you do flashcards, again, please make sure you make it full screen. That way you can hear the audio. It's another opportunity for you to hear these words being pronounced in French, because later this week we're going to be repeating the Chatter Kids activity where you guys are going to be answering the questions in French. When you are finished, you are going to screenshot your activity. Please don't screenshot flashcards. I don't really want to see those. I want to see your other activity that you chose. Screenshot that and upload that to your assignment for today. Your assignment for today is titled Quizlet French Vocabulary, and I will also have a link to that below this video as well. As always, let me know if you guys need anything, and I hope you have a great day.